Today's video is Chick Hicks makes buzzing sound at Casey/grounded.
Man, I really hate Casey. Why? Because he always get my friends into trouble for stupid reasons, and I wonder what I should do. I know, I'm going to make a buzzing sound at Casey, because it caused him a hiccups. Ha 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 ha.
Meanwhile at Casey's house, I'm going to play Roblox. Hey, Chick Hicks, what are you doing here at my house?
Z.
I got the hiccups.
Well, that's what you get for getting my friends into trouble for stupid reasons.
Chick Hicks, how dare you make a buzzing sound at me? You know that caused me a hiccups. That's it. Go home right now while I call your guardians about this.
No 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 no.
When Chick Hicks got home, Chick Hicks, how dare you make a buzzing sound at Casey? You know that caused him a hiccups. That's it. You're grounded for a month. And for your punishment, you will not get an Easter surprise.
Go to your room right now, and think about what you had done. What? Hey.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.